bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some healthy recipes that I've been enjoying lately, and I really hope you guys do too. This first one I'm making is just a healthy chocolate ice cream. I would recommend to use like a food processor, an actual blender, or something like that, just because it's a little bit harder to blend up in the NutriBullet, but it still works if this is all that you guys have. So I went ahead and stuck it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes or so, and then I added some chocolate chips, but you guys can add whatever you guys like. So I felt like I had a little bit too much of the potatoes, so I added a little bit more sausage, but I added a different kind because I didn't have any more of what I used originally. And I also added what I had left of this cream cheese and a little bit of butter. And then I added some Mexican style 4 cheese, shredded cheese, and 1 cup of milk. And then I put this on low and I went to sleep, and it was done in the morning. I just wanted you guys to know that I did use a whole wheat flour. I don't use regular flour, but I'm sure you guys could use like coconut flour, almond flour, whatever you guys prefer. And then you guys could also change up your macros, you know, like lower carb or anything like that if you're doing keto. But this called for brown sugar. You could also probably use like an organic cane sugar, which I also had, but I just used what the recipe called for. Added some cinnamon and some baking powder, and I went ahead and stirred that up, and then I did the wet ingredients next.
Exchange for your soul, please, baby. You taste like maybe, baby. I need guarantee. Let me try to show you Looks like you need a refill in your cup. Sip it slow, slow your roll.
So the recipe called for 1 cup of blueberries, but all I had was frozen blueberries. So I just used half a cup so that way the recipe doesn't get all mushy and gross. And yeah.
Side to side, up and down, it's gonna be high, it's gonna be lows. That's why I advise you to microdose, baby. You taste like maybe, baby. I need guarantee.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You say yes to